Welcome to MBK Maschinenbau. Our cage welding machines for manhole and concrete pipe reinforcement. The ISM wire cage machines produce low capacity for the manhole and concrete pipe industry. ISM 140 up to 1,400 mm diameter, ISM 250 up to 2,500 mm diameter, and ISM 450 up to 4,500 mm diameter. The ESM wire cage machines produce medium capacity for the manhole and concrete pipe industry. ESM 190 up to 1,900 mm diameter, ESM 360 up to 3,600 mm diameter. The ESM is suitable for the production of jacking pipes, dimensional changeover by the push of a button, and link programs for inner and outer cages. The BSM wire cage machines produce high capacity for the manhole and concrete pipe industry. BSM 170 up to 1,700 mm diameter. BSM 520 up to 5,200 mm diameter. The BSM is a high-speed machine and can produce megapipes up to 5,200 mm. A cage length up to 7 meters is possible. The BSM-R produce round cages. The BSM-O produce round, oval or elliptical, arch and egg-shaped cages. Conical-shaped cages are also possible. Egg-shaped cages are also possible. Two options, ROR for the production of round elliptical round and OOO for the production of elliptical cages. These options savings up to 40% of reinforcement and more than 50% on labour costs. With this option, a cage can be reduced. ALZB for automatic feeding of longitudinal wire from bundle or magazine. ALZC for automatic feeding of longitudinal wire from coil. ALZM for automatic feeding of all longitudinal in one step by revolver magazine. KEG Type 1 for automatic removing of cages into stationary press. Our cage robot, KEG Type 2 and KFG for automatic removing and positioning of cages, KFG with nesting function. our full automatic system. Strong connections. More info at mbkkisleg.de.